Today, we're going to talk about liners. Liners are actually really important for growing mushrooms because we use these clear tubs. The whole point of a liner is so you don't have side pins. What that means is when the pins are going to be growing this way. If you didn't have a liner, they would start growing down to the side everywhere. So it's real simple to make a liner. Black garbage bag. Basically flip this thing over, and what I'm going to do is kind of line it up on where my where my air holes are, and then I'm going to cut a good bit off of it so we have not so much excess. And sometimes, depending on how big your bag is, you can use this for a couple boxes. See? So again, I'm going to line it up, line this side up, kind of on there, and then make the cut kind of estimated on this side. If you have to fold it under a little bit, that's pretty standard from what I've been finding when I do mine. So save those for another one. What I use is masking tape, and I like to start it on one side just like that, and I'll get a good bit here, put it on the end, line it up on that hole right there, and then kind of tuck this one in and then wrap it around this corner. I'll do the same thing on this side. Line it up on there, and this one will have a little bit extra, it looks like, so that's alright. So I'm going to fold it kind of already, kind of make a good fold. Put your tape on. And what the tape is doing is going to make a solid foundation for you. And I'll show you that in a minute. We'll keep going on this one, do the other side as well. See, now it's a little further down, so what you do is just flip it under like this. You can go the other way too if you want, it doesn't really matter. And then same thing, do a little tape, get that corner kind of pinched in, and then fold it over. Same thing on the last corner. And then you got the basic good shape here. So what I like to do too is kind of reinforce it on the other parts. That way you have a good base. I missed a little bit. Put a little bit on this one just to make it all even. And then same thing on this side. On this one, you can see how it's way over. So what I'll do about take this, flip it up, and we're gonna tape that down. Doesn't have to be perfect. Just want to kind of get it good enough. So when you're done, all four sides taped up, what you do is take this off, and now you have a perfect fit for your box. Throw the thing in there, kind of line it up right. Just kind of push it in all the sides, and you're good to go. The side pins, you're not gonna have side pins now, because the air hole, oxygen's coming in here, so the pins are gonna start. So you're gonna put your substrate just to this line, so the pins aren't gonna go down. They're definitely not gonna go down on this side, but they're not going to go around any of the sides because it's all taped up. They're going to go where they can see the light, which in this case is only up. So that's it. Liners are super easy. Next one we'll do is the bulk substrate, and then put the grants on it. Thanks for watching. Check you next time.